Proworx high-quality performance parts that are value-priced to save you money and maximize your budget. Proworx has an extensive line of premium cooling products, including top-of-the-line high-flow water pumps, available in both mechanical and electric. Mechanical water pumps from Proworx are cast from lightweight A356 aluminum and heat-treated to T6 hardness. The mounting surfaces are all machined to ensure a perfect fit, and installed is a thicker-than-stock half-inch crank hub for added strength. To improve performance, these are an aluminum 8-plate anti-cavitation impeller. Its shaft is supported by heavy-duty bearings and seals to ensure long-lasting reliability. Thanks to these improvements, Proworx pumps flow up to 40% above stock, guaranteeing the cooling power for your high-performance engine needs. Also available from Proworx is a line of efficient electric water pumps. Constructed of the same high-quality aluminum, these electric pumps are even lighter than their mechanical counterparts. Powered by a 12-volt electrical system and not the crankshaft, these pumps will provide excellent cooling without taking any horsepower away from your engine. Designed to flow at a constant rate of 35 gallons per minute, regardless of engine RPM, they are perfect for street and strip. Proworx offers mechanical pumps in chrome, polished, and satin finishes, and electric pumps in black and chrome. They're available for many applications, including the first-gen Big Block 409, Ford FE, and 351 Cleveland. They're also available in both standard and reverse rotation for small block Ford and small block Chevy. So whether you're looking for added cooling for your high-performance engine, or looking to beautify your show car, with high-flow mechanical and electric pumps available for a myriad of applications, Proworx has you covered. Proworx Performance high-quality performance products, value priced to maximize your performance build budget. High-quality, value-priced Proworx water pumps are available in Canada from most auto parts and accessory retailers.